In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Samsung phone. First, I'm going to show you how to reset your phone if you have, for an example, a black screen or your screen has frozen. Then I'm going to show you how to factory reset your phone to delete off all the data. So if you want to reset your phone if you have a black screen, hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Still keep holding. And that's it. You basically reset the phone. So now I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung phone. Again, hold down the power button and volume down button until this pops up. Click on power off and click on power off again. Once it has powered off, you need to plug in your charging cable, but the charging cable needs to be connected to a laptop or a PC. Now hold down the volume up button and the power button. Once you're in here, you can see all these options, and with the volume buttons, go down and up, and you can select with your power button. So go down to wipe data and factory reset, click the power button to select it, go down again and click on factory data reset. Once you click the power button, your phone will be wiped all of its data. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.